Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of computer hardware and focus on one of the most important parts of a computer system, the motherboard. If you have ever wondered what a computer motherboard is, what role it plays, and why it is often called the backbone of a computer, then you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what a motherboard is, how it works. A computer motherboard is often described as the main circuit board or logic board. Without a motherboard, your computer would not function because the CPU, memory, storage drives, graphics card, and other devices need a medium to interact, and that is exactly what the motherboard provides. It acts as a platform that integrates all the parts into a single working system. The word motherboard might sound intimidating at first, but it is actually very straightforward once you understand its role. Imagine your computer as a city. The motherboard is like the city's infrastructure. It has roads, bridges, and tunnels that connect different parts of the city so that cars, people, and goods can move from one place to another. Similarly, the motherboard has circuits, slots, and ports that allow information to travel between the processor, memory, and other components. Before we continue, I would like to quickly ask something from you. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can always stay updated with my latest technology videos. Also, make sure you like this video because it really helps me to create more useful content for you. Do not forget to share this video with your friends, leave a comment below, and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss my next upload. Now, let us go a little deeper into the components of the motherboard. The first key component is the CPU socket. This is where the processor is installed, and the type of socket determines what kind of CPU can be used with that particular motherboard. Next, we have the RAM slots. These are long, thin slots where the memory modules are inserted. The motherboard also has expansion slots that allow you to add extra hardware such as graphics cards, sound cards, or network cards to improve performance or add more features to your computer. Another important feature of the motherboard is the chipset. The chipset is like the traffic controller. It manages data flow between the CPU, memory, and other peripherals. Depending on the type of chipset, your motherboard will support different speeds, features, and compatibility with other hardware. Power connectors are also present, and they allow electricity from the power supply unit to reach the motherboard and its components. On the edges of most motherboards, you will find input and output ports. These include USB ports, HDMI or DisplayPort outputs, Ethernet ports, and audio jacks. They make it possible for you to connect external devices such as keyboards, mice, monitors, printers, and speakers. Without these connections, interacting with your computer would be almost impossible. It is also important to note that motherboards come in different sizes, commonly referred to as form factors. The most popular ones are 8TX, Micro 8TX, and Mini ITX. Each form factor has a different size and number of expansion slots, and this affects what kind of case you can use and how many additional devices you can install. Larger motherboards usually have more features, while smaller ones are designed for compact systems. The BIOS or UEFI firmware is another critical part of the motherboard. This is the software that initializes and tests the hardware when you turn on your computer. It also provides a basic interface that allows you to configure system settings such as boot order, clock speeds, and security features. Without this firmware, the operating system would not even load. So, why is the motherboard so important? Quite simply, it ties everything together. A powerful CPU or a fast graphics card cannot do anything unless the motherboard supports them. That is why choosing the right motherboard is one of the most important decisions when building or upgrading a computer. It determines what kind of processor you can use, how much memory you can install, how many storage drives you can connect, and how easily you can upgrade in the future. When buying a motherboard, you should always consider compatibility, features, and future upgrades. For example, if you are a gamer, you might want a motherboard that supports multiple graphics cards and has high-speed USB and networking options. If you are building a budget computer, then you may want a simpler board with fewer expansion slots but still reliable enough for everyday tasks. Motherboards also have a direct impact on performance and stability. A high-quality motherboard can ensure that your components run smoothly and efficiently, while a poor quality one may limit your system's potential or even cause crashes. That is why reputable brands like Asus, MSI, Gigabyte, and ASRock are so popular among computer builders and enthusiasts. In conclusion, the computer motherboard is not just another piece of hardware. It is the foundation on which everything else depends. It connects, powers, and coordinates every part of your system, making it possible for your computer to perform complex tasks, run software, and provide the experiences we rely on every day. Understanding what a motherboard is and how it works gives you the knowledge to make smarter choices when buying, upgrading, or troubleshooting your computer. Before we wrap up this video, I want to remind you once again to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Please like this video because it helps my channel grow and allows me to make more educational content for you. Do not forget to share this video with your friends, comment your thoughts below, and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.